A deep depression situated over the Bay of Bengal intensified into cyclonic storm Jawad just a few hours ago today. Cyclonic storm Jawad currently has wind speeds of 65 km an hour, gusting up to 85 km an hour, with central barometric pressure of 1000 millibars, and is currently moving north-northwestwards at 22 km an hour. Cyclone Jawad is currently located near latitude 15° north and longitude 85.3° east. It is located about 360 km south-southwest of Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, 470 km south-southeast of Gopalpur in Odisha, 530 km south-southwest of Puri in Odisha, and 600 km south-southwest of Paradip in Odisha. Cyclone storm Jawad is likely to move north-northwestwards, intensify further, and reach west-central Bay of Bengal of North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coasts by tomorrow the 4th December morning. Thereafter, it is likely to recurve north-northeastwards and move along Odisha coast, reaching near Puri around 5th December noon. Subsequently, it is likely to continue to move north-northeastwards along coastal Odisha towards West Bengal coast. This is the forecast track and intensity table of cyclonic storm Jawad for the next few days, where we can clearly see that this cyclone can attain a maximum intensity of a severe cyclonic storm. This is the Doppler weather radar imagery from Visakhapatnam depicting the approaching convective cloud towards North Andhra Pradesh coast. This is the observed and forecast track along with cone of uncertainty of cyclonic storm Jawad over west central Bay of Bengal. This is the observed and forecast track along with quadrant wind distribution of cyclonic storm Jawad over west central Bay of Bengal. This is the multimodal diagnostic comparison where most models are indicating a maximum peak intensity of 60 knots an hour for cyclone Jawad. Deep layer shear is gonna increase to its maximum on 5th and 6th December. This is the track where most models are indicating that cyclone Jawad will recurve along the Odisha coast and move towards West Bengal and then towards northeast India and Bangladesh. These are some images of cyclonic storm Jawad by the model data products. This is the sea surface temperature of the North Indian Ocean. As you can see, both Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal's temperature are about 30 degrees Celsius or more than 30 degrees Celsius, which will help the cyclone intensify further in the next few days. This is the latest satellite imagery of cyclonic storm Jawad, where it is indicating that it is very close to North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coasts and is going to make landfall by tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for further updates on Cyclone Jawad on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.